Okay, so here's our first example of our rate problems. So we have done already several problems. We have the clock problems, we have the work problems, we have the percent problems, and we have the numeric word problems or number-based word problems, or simply called number problems. And now the fifth one is the rate problems. So this is our first example, but take note that the rate problems is based on the formula that the distance is just the product of the rate times time, or if you want to calculate the rate, that is just the ratio of the distance and time. Okay, so our solution for this problem: so my suggestion on how to solve this kind of problem is to tabulate the given in order for you to be able to figure out how are you going to solve this problem. So to do the table, something like this. It's a simple table with three, what do you call it? This one, and then with 4 columns. And then label it as distance, then rate, and time. Okay, then write down the names of the people involved. Like for example, in our problem we have Johanna, and then we have Judel. Okay, and then after that, take out what are givens in each of them. Like for example, Johanna runs 100-meter race. So 100-meter race, it means that the distance Johanna runs is 100. Okay, 100 meters. So Johanna runs 100-meter race in a certain amount of time. So we don't know the time, so we can let the time be equal to t. Okay, then it says if Judel runs the same race, so it means it's also 100 meters. The same race. Okay, so same distance. So she takes 2 seconds longer. Alright, if Johanna's time is t, so if Judel runs, it should be t plus 2. Okay, then if Judel runs 8 meter per second, so given the rate, no, meter per second, distance over time, so this is the rate. So it's given 8 meters per second. Now the question is, how fast? How fast? The word how fast means that is rate. That is distance per unit time. How fast? So how fast did Johanna run? So it means we need to find the rate of Johanna. So that's the problem. Okay, so from the formula that the distance, this is the distance, is equal to the rate times time. Okay, so this is the basic formula of the rate problem that you need to remember. Or you can write this as D equal to R times T. So from here, you can get the rate. If you want to solve for the rate, you just divide both sides by T. So you will get R equal to D over T. Similarly, if you want to solve for T, divide both sides by R, then you will get T equal to D over R. So these are the following formulas that we can use to solve this problem. Alright, so from the given that we have organized in this table. So we can say that the distance, all right, so the distance for Johanna is the same distance as for Judel. So distance that Johanna runs is equal to the distance that Judel runs. Okay, so from the word same race, so same race means same distance. Okay, so write down the formula. When you say distance is rate times time. Okay, so you can write rate times time. So this is the distance for Johanna, and for Judel is also rate times time. So this is for Judel, rate times time. But take note, from this given, from Judel's part, we are given the distance, we are given the time. So distance and time, the rate. You are given the distance and the rate, so we can calculate the time. Okay, so since we can calculate the time, we can use this formula. Time is distance divided by the rate. So we can change this. Instead of t plus 2, we can convert this to t so that we can use this formula. Okay? Since we change this to t, so it says that she takes, meaning Judel, she takes 2 seconds longer. So if her time is t, so therefore Johanna's time is t minus 2. Okay, so we can substitute this here. So we have rate times Johanna's time is t minus 2 divided by the rate of Judel is given as 8 meter per second, then times time. Okay, so times time, but time can be calculated from the given. So time is equal to distance over the rate, where the distance given as 100 meters, then the rate is 8 meter per second. So meter and meter cancels out, so t therefore is equal to 100 divided by 8. So we have 100 divided by 8 is equal to 12.5. Okay, so 12.5 seconds. So 12.5 seconds. So this is the time for Judel. So substitute this one here. So we have R, and also here times t. T is 12.5, so 12.5 minus 2 equal to 8 times 12.5. So R times 12.5 minus 2 is 10.5 equal to 8 times 12.5, so times 8 equal to 100. Okay, so that's 100. So this is 100. So to solve for R, so this is what is asked in the problem. How fast did Johanna run? So we need to solve for R. So we divide both sides by 10.5. Okay, so divide both sides by 10.5. So 10.5, the numerator cancels out with the 10.5 the denominator, then R is equal to, so 100 divided by 10.5, 100 divided by 10.5, so we get 9.5238, or simply 9.52. So what's the unit? The unit is rate, so that is rate, meaning the unit is meter per second. So let's answer. the question, approximately how fast did Johanna run? So therefore Johanna runs approximately 9.52 meter per second. So this is our final answer. Okay, so that's it. So I hope you have followed our discussions. And if you have any questions, you may send me your question in the comment section below. Thank you.